Exercise 2. A shipping company has the following restrictions for packages. The weight, which is notated by W, in pounds of the package cannot exceed 50. So it cannot be more than 50. The sum, D, in inches of the length, width, and height of the package cannot exceed 180. So this means that D cannot be greater than 108. Which of the following represents these restrictions on D and on W and D? So obviously the weight cannot exceed 50, so it has to be at most 50, which means W should be smaller or equal than 50. So we are between either A and B. And the sum D cannot exceed 108. So it cannot be also greater than 108, which means that it can only be smaller or equal than 108. So this second condition of A is also met, which means that A is the right answer for this particular question.